So 11th or 12th of May now. Arrived Sunday evening. It's now Tuesday. The grass has grown. What a surprise. Everywhere. Super high. I would say, what is it? It's about 2 foot high generally, on average. Some 3 foot in places. Lots of nice daisies. Dandelions. It's all got to be cut. Hopefully the sun will stay with us and I'll be able to get onto that this afternoon.
Grass has grown again. We turned our back on it for 6 weeks. It clearly is way too long. One of the peach trees has died. I'm just grateful they haven't all died. In terms of renovation, this trip being in May, it's been a mixture of jungle warfare, cutting back the grass with a various combination of strimmers, mowers, ride-on mowers and Peter on the tractor. As you can see, he's done a good job of, with the tractor over in the field and on the far side of the pool, which is what we have to do every year. The Photinia has grown up massively in front of the hedge, which is great, in front of the shed. We've had fun with the pool, trying to get all the chemical balance with it right, which has necessitated buying new electrodes and a degree in chemistry, which neither of us have. But I think we've got there. We know a lot more than we did.
Pool robot has entered the water for the first time.
Oh, it's off.
It looks like it's off.
Just checking where the wall was a minute ago. We missed a bit.
It's already missed a bit, apparently. Well, we'll see.
We'll see if it's better than Lexi.
Yeah, well, we're going to call it, it's called Lexi, I've decided.
Obviously. What's it going to do when it gets to the end? Right, 2 panes of glass in. Can't really see actually. Because it's clean at the moment. And we're just going to go and get the door, if we can carry it up. Thank you. Who's got the bottom?
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
going to have to do something. Jesus. Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I want just take the weight in a minute. Have your hand.
Okay. Right.
We're done up. Almost better.
So heavy.
Oh, how am I going to get this on these pins?
It's going to be interesting.
It's on. Oh God, I thought you'd done something then when you said that. Right.
So it's still got to lift a bit.
Yeah, is it these are in? Oh, it's the top one not in.
It might be because that one wobbles a bit.
Which one?
The top one, because it's a tilting thing, so it moves.
Okay.
So if you can get those in.
You have to lift it up.
Yeah, I
To
don't
do
think
it.
try
It's
moving
not
the hinge moves. Not that bit, that bit. There.
Oh, okay. That's it. That's it. It's so hot.
It's got a lazy.
Can we take a window out? No. Go in. It's not straight. There you go. That's it. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yay! It goes on. Good God, that's hard. Okay. So having, we think, got the glass where it needs to be with the right number of spaces, and Peter's obsession with heel and toe.
Toe and healing, apparently.
Sorry, toe and healing.
Yes, it has to be that way around.
Now we have to put this, I don't know what it's called. What's it called? What's this stuff that you're bashing called? The trim? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know, but whatever
It
it
does
is.
have a name, I can't remember.
It now requires hitting it with a hammer, which is somewhat terrifying, but more importantly, look at that, the door opens and closes, which might not be very exciting to anybody else, but it's a major achievement for us.
Better than the other door now.
Because it's fantastic. That's amazing. That works so well.
It does. I can't believe it.
No, I know.
I knew overnight would be the
Yeah.
thing, having done it about 15 times badly yesterday.
Look at that. Both doors in either side of the cuisine. That's incredible.
Nasty finger marks on there.
Barn side. Pool side. Window. So down here in the new cuisine is where the most of the work's been done this trip. So these from the inside, the double doors leading outside, which when we get all the kitchen stuff down here is going to be amazing, because we'll be able to walk out on this level. He's still working. I just swim in the pool. And then also on the other side we have the triple doors in. Well, it's one door in the middle and the two fixed panes on the side. Getting them over here from the barn was unbelievable because they are so heavy. So all the glass had to come out of these doors, which is terrifying, and go back in. We've almost cracked it, haha, no pun intended, with these doors. The door will shut, but we're having a problem locking it, but they're in, which is incredible, the main thing. The ceiling is now completely finished. Seems to have taken an awful long time, but it is now done, painted, not going up there again. There's been more pointing on that bottom bit of that wall there, and just finishing around the sides of the doorway, and then cleaning down, washing the walls, sort of sorting out around the old Evier and getting it ready for painting. All the electrics are now connected back to the main board, so wait to see if they actually work and don't blow the place up when we put anything on them. And also the water pipes are connected, so we have water and electric in here. We've decided what to do with the floor, so I've started to dig out, because at the moment it's just earth in between, so the whole floor needs to be dug out like that and then grouted, mortared, whatever it is. So there, yeah, it's amazing. Onwards and upwards, ready for when we come back in 3 weeks' time.